Experiencing a one-sided audio issue with your AirPods Pro 3, specifically the left AirPod, you're not alone. The most common cause is a Bluetooth pairing imbalance or a failure to synchronize with your iPhone or iPad. Before panicking, know that 70 to 80% of these issues are software related and fixable at home. Start with the basics. Is the left AirPod properly charged? Check for dirt or debris in the charging case's contacts, especially around the left AirPod's charging pins. A little obstruction can prevent proper charging and pairing. Also, ensure your AirPods Pro 3 firmware and iOS are up to date. Apple often releases updates with fixes for connectivity issues. Current statistics show that pairing problems affect about 12% of AirPods Pro owners within the first year, but most achieve resolution through software resets. First, let's begin with the software fixes to address the issue. If cleaning and charging didn't work, try a soft reset. Place both AirPods in the charging case, close the lid, wait 30 seconds, and then reopen. This often resolves temporary glitches. If the left AirPod still won't connect, try a hard reset. Forget the AirPods in your iPhone's Bluetooth settings and repair them. For persistent issues, go to Settings Bluetooth to check the connection status and ensure the left AirPod is recognized. If problems persist after these steps, there may be a deeper hardware issue or firmware mismatch. Contact Apple support and run diagnostics via AppleCare. If these fixes don't work, check if you're still under warranty, as hardware defects affect a small percentage of users and may require replacement.